So I'm out here today at a job at Woronora Heights for an Optus customer. She's had Optus tech come out here, and he came to this little Telstra box that they've got here underneath the house, and they've basically said that everything's working fine to this point. There must be a problem internally. So they've left and they've told the customer to get a private technician. So I'm here today from Securicom to try and work out what's going on. Now, as you can see, I've got the DSL tester connected up to the Telstra leading cable here on the blue-white pair. Now there's a dial tone on that. It's a nice clear dial tone, but we're not getting any sync with this at all. It's just not linking over here. And the customer's internal cabling going back in, we've disconnected unplugged everything from the sockets inside. So we're just testing the cabling here. And if we put this on the mega ohms range here, you can see that there is, everything's in specification. So I've got the earth on today. So there's nothing between the A and B and A and E and a B and E. And then, so you can see there's a little bit of a capacitance kick there. That's because of the amount of cabling inside the place. But that's testing fine. There's nothing wrong with the internal cabling. So this has been on here about 15 minutes trying to link, and nothing's going on. So Optus, this is definitely a network issue. You're going to need to send out maybe an ADSL trained tech, because there is a dial tone here, but there is no sync with this one. So you probably didn't have the right gear. You just need to send out the right tech, mate. Another thing is, this place is 5 k's from the exchange, so they'd be getting 2 megabits, 3 megabits a second. So anything in the network that could slightly bugger that up, we'll do it, and there's probably just some small little thing on the line. Anyway, back over to you. Bye.